we obviously love sound in any form, but we also love silence. And that can actually be the case in some, reducing sound. It's not that rare that we suggest to our clients, maybe you should take away this sound.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
Make a silent, safe space here and there. And I would also argue that most companies, whether it's construction or in another business, most companies make sound in some form. The question is really, is that intentional or just a consequence of not being aware?